So, hello children. Today I'm going to explain what the summative assessment for this unit of inquiry is. So, this is going to be like the main idea of your summative. You have been invited to the Qatar Invention exhibition. You will present your ideas for your latest innovation or invention that will be beneficial to make a better world. So what is the goal of this activity? You need to design an invention to make a better world. Your audience is going to be your parents and family, and of course, Miss Grace. And what is the product about? You will develop and create an invention to transform the future to make a better world. So, but what kind of inventions, Miss Grace, to make a better world? Well, actually, last year I worked on this, and most of the kids work on different fields of knowledge. So, for example, some of them wanted to work on the field of medicine. So, they were making inventions or discoveries to help people to stay healthy, or science like to improve land, space, or improve the environment. Some work on ideas to improve home or work, like some things like the community needs or the world around them, or even school or education. Some people focus on entertainment. So can you think of a different way to entertain people, like sports, music, arts, toys? And some others just focused on engineering. So how can you improve other people's lives in terms of housing or transportation? So you decide what is actually the need you want to focus on. So we're going to be working on the design cycle. This is going to be our first step, which is defining the problem. So what is the problem? What is the need you want to work on to make the world a better place? So this is the assignment for today. I want you to think of a problem or a need you would like to solve or meet in the community, in the world around you, at home, in school. So you just decide the need or the problem you would like to solve to make the world a better place. So please explain the problem that you identified on the Padlet that I'm sharing with you on the activities. And I'm going to show you two of the examples I had from last year. So this is actually what I want you to focus on your Padlet. I want you to write a paragraph just like this one, and where you can state the problem or the need you're trying to solve. So for example, this girl wrote the following thing. I noticed that people around the world have sore necks. They're getting cramps and broken necks. Sometimes they have really sore necks that they have to go to the doctor. Then they can't bend down or do anything with their necks. I also noticed that people are not allowed to move their necks. I noticed that people can write or read because of this problem. Some people have necks that are just different from others. And she actually chose this problem because her mom had this problem at home. So she wanted to do something to improve her mom's life or health. And then there is this other problem. She wrote, the problem is that some people do not have hands, so they mostly do everything with their mouth. They were born without hands. They want hands, and not so many people are helping them to make their life easier. So this is actually what I want you to do. I want you to focus on a problem or a need to make the world a better place. And I want you to write just a paragraph like the ones you just saw. And that is going to be the first step of our summative assessment. I seriously can't wait to see your magnificent inventions, and I'm pretty sure you're going to help the world with your thinking. Thank you.